I've been dreaming.
Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing.
With me, and I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough.
If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
I'm staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong. Need